Girl, why haven't you washed those brushes? Tell me. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Omomerele, back again with another video. If you're new, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and also give me a thumbs up if you like this video. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you very much for coming back. Please tell me why you've not washed those makeup brushes you've been using for so long. Do you know that you're not washing your brushes and reusing them is transferring bacteria back into your skin? So if you're wondering why you're having this recurring acne, it's because you are using dirty brushes. And also, don't think your skincare is gonna work if your brushes are dirty. Like, you have to wash your brushes every time. If you don't wash it, you can clean it. So in this video, I'll be showing you 3 different methods to clean your brushes. Like I said, there are 3 different ways to clean your brushes. The first method is the alcohol method. It is the easiest and simplest method, quickest method ever. Some people use alcohol, but I have this product from Ra. It is not a sponsored video, guys. I'm just trying to show you what I use. So I use this product, I spray it on my brush and clean it out on a tissue paper. I do this repeatedly till my brushes are clean, and then I just leave it to dry. Because it is alcohol, it dries out really fast. So after cleaning the brushes and I'm sure that all the stains are out of it, I just move on to cleaning out the handles of the brush, and this is done by taking a little bit of this rubbing alcohol on a cotton pad and just cleaning the handles of the brushes. You can see how I turned this white brush that is already stained with makeup into the original color. You can use this process when you're going back and forth between clients. You can also use this process if you have like limited brushes and you want to change your eyeshadow look. So you just take the alcohol, spray it on the brush, clean it out well, make sure all the products are out, then just leave it to dry for like 2 to 3 minutes and you can use it again. See, easy and simple. The second method is using a dish soap or a shampoo. I use dish soap or a shampoo, preferably shampoo, because I use it on my hair, and then these brushes are more like air, so why not? If this product is good enough to clean my dishes and my hair, obviously it should be good enough to clean my brushes. Here is a brush mat. It has different sections for different types of brushes you want to use, so I just make sure I rinse it first to just have water on it before I use it. So I will just set it down. Then I'm going to go into the dishwash. I'll be using the Morning Fresh antibacterial dishwash. You can use any one you like. I'm going to apply a little bit on my brush and just wash it out. After washing it out and I'm sure that it's clean, I'm going to rinse the brush. As you can see, I'm not rinsing directly. I'm placing the brush in a slanted form so the water does not go into the brush. After rinsing it out, you can see the brush. Then the third method is using a brush soap. These are soaps that are made for brushes. They could be quite expensive, so only if you need to get them, then you get them. I have this brush soaps which I'll be using to demonstrate how I wash my brush. So this is the Ra makeup brush soap. Well, again, this is not a sponsored post. I was just fortunate to buy all my products from this particular vendor. So I'm going to be washing this brush using this brush soap. I just apply a little bit of water into the brush soap and just wash my brush inside. make sure it has enough soap inside it, and then I just brush it off on the brush mat. And when I'm done washing it, I'm just gonna rinse it off, still using that inclined method I showed you earlier. So I'm going to be doing another example using a smaller brush. I'm still going to use the same process, but on this brush mat I'm going to be specifying the particular part I will be using to wash the brush. These parts are specifically for small brushes, and then it would really wash your brush well. After washing, I'll just rinse it, still using the same method I showed you earlier. Then I'll be doing one last example to just, show you again how I wash it. After washing my brushes, now to drying it. I saw this method on Desi Perkins' video, I think, where she dries her brush upside down, and I thought it was a very smart method. So that's the method I use to dry my brushes. I dry my brushes upside down so the water does not go into the brush. And you can see for my smaller brushes I use the same method, but yeah, I'm using a tray and I just stick it into the tray. So guys, these are the 3 methods on how I wash my brushes. I hope you learned 1 or 2 things on how to wash your brushes. Try to wash your brushes as frequent as possible. For me, I get to wash my brush 2 to 3 times in a month. I have a lot of brushes, so it takes me a while to be done with all my brushes to wash. So guys, I hope this video was useful on teaching you how to wash your brushes. Do you like my look? If you like my look, I have a mini tutorial on my Instagram page, so please go and check it out, and you can follow me on Instagram. I will see you on my next one. Bye guys.